Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to demonstrate how to graph horizontal parabolas, and we're going to start by graphing this animal right here, x equals y squared minus 8y plus 5. So parabolas have a very important point called the vertex, and if you recall, for graphing vertical parabolas, the number given by minus b over 2a would give the x-coordinate of the vertex. For these horizontal parabolas, that gives the y-coordinate of the vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate that value. So that's going to be, let's see, minus b over 2 times a. That comes out to be 4. So what we know is the y-coordinate of the vertex is at y equals 4. Then we'll just take this and sub it into this equation to get the x value. We have 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 5. Let's see, which is 16 minus 32 plus 5, which is minus 16 plus 5, which is minus 11. Okay, so we know that the vertex is at the point negative 11, 4. So we can graph that easy enough. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good enough. I know I'm slightly off my graph, but I won't lose any sleep over it if you folks don't. All right, now, other important points to get. Let's go ahead and try to find the intercepts here where it crosses the y-axis. And in order to do that, we'll set x equal to 0. And now we'll look for the corresponding values for y. And if we apply the quadratic formula, y is going to equal, right, opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, I'm going to put 64 for that, minus 4 times a times c, all over twice a. So let's see, 8 plus or minus, this is root 44 over 2. And I think what I'll do here, since I'm graphing, is I'm just going to take a calculator and get those numerical values here in decimal form. 8 plus square root of 44. Okay, and I got 7.3 for one of them. And 0.68 for the other. All right. All right, so one of the intercepts is at the point 0.7.3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.3. The other one is at 0.68. That's about maybe here. All right, and that's pretty much enough to plot this thing. I'm going to grab one more point too. Where it crosses the x-axis is very easy to get. I can get that from here by setting y equal to 0, and x comes out to be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's right here. And that 0.68, I think I've got it kind of the middle point, but when I sketch it, that's actually a little more than halfway. So that's probably enough to sketch this parabola. I'm trying to do this by hand, folks, so humor me. Let's call that good enough. Not the best parabola I've ever drawn, but good enough for this example. All right. So this guy right here is the vertex, and the axis of symmetry, let's color that to make it look a little more cheery, is this axis right here. And remember, this was the point negative 11, 4, so that axis of symmetry is described by y equals 4. All right, so there's example 1 here of graphing parabolas. If you'll, I think I'll go ahead and just do the next one on another video here. So I hope that helped with this example. Have a great day.